beefy size uphill jump. These trails that flow through the woods that have jumps everywhere are so cool. Oh, flat landed it. That's so cool. It's so fun. Oh. Shit. See through that section, the sun's going. Is pretty sketch. It's pretty sketchy, but me and Udi are having so much fun with it right now. The more we ride laps, the more we learn where we have traction, where we don't. I'm trying to stay as close to them as possible. Woo! Just flat landing so many things up there, huh, Udi? Like, I'm just lugging fourth gear around every corner. If I use this throttle like the slightest bit, I feel like I start to slide everywhere. He seems to be ripping on that 252 smoker. That was sick! That was awesome! These uphill rollers here are so much fun. You can just hold it wide open. Here comes Udi on his 250. Woo! That sounds so good. The two-stroke echoing through the woods. I have this giant spider hanging from my... Look at this thing. What kind of spider is this? Look at this big boy. Come here, dude. Oh! Oh, he's hanging on my bike. See ya. This track's actually pretty peaceful. Just like smooth, slow cruising through the woods. This is essentially like just a trail with some jumps on it. Pretty slow pace, but it's a lot of fun nonetheless. That's the best section, that uphill roller. Woo! Come on, Uday! Come on, let's go!